Hi guys, it's Shaki Shetty and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do my Crawford market haul. In case you haven't seen the entire tour, I have covered that in my previous video. I've covered all the places that I went to shop and also all the other places where I didn't shop from but which were pretty informative, and in case you didn't know about them, it's really helpful for those who are into startups or who have their own businesses. So you have a lot of raw materials, right from packaging and containers to baking stuff, envelopes, gifts, baskets. There's everything, and if you buy them in wholesale they give you a lot of discount. In case you have not watched that, I'll leave that in the description box below, so go and check it out and then come back on this video because then you will relate more. In this video, all the things that I bought are, the first thing that I got is this hanger. Actually, I couldn't wait. I already filled it with my accessories. It's this velvet material plain hanger which has a lot of these compartments in the U shape where you can hang on your stuff. It can be anything. It can be jewelry, it can be your scarf, it can be your watches, anything actually. I decided to go ahead and hang some of my jewelry. Quality is beautiful. It's black in color, plus it's a velvet and it's very sturdy and it's very strong. So I really like this to like hang my jewelry in, because otherwise my jewelry would get all tangled and everything. It's a very good way to store your jewelry in place. I think I got this for rupees 170. From the same place I bought another hanger, and this one is in this size, kind of like the rib size of the skeleton, like the rib shape of the skeleton. A weird reference, but I hope you get it. So this is the hanger. Same, it's black in color, velvet finish, and I use this to store my bracelets and my rings and whatever delicate jewelry, everything. Is also very useful for me to like keep my jewelry in place, especially my everyday use kind of jewelry. If I want to like quickly grab something and wear it, this is how I store it. So this was also for somewhere around 170 or 180. So I picked these two hangers from that shop. So the next item I got is from the bakery section. Like there was a shop, there were many shops which had all the cool bakery items at really affordable and cheap prices. Although I don't know much of baking, whatever I know here and there is through YouTube and everything. I'm trying and learning, but still looking at all the items, and they were so cute and nice, I couldn't help but I bought one more item, which is this one. So this is a mold which is in the shape of heart, so you can use this to like make chocolates or anything like jellies or whatever you want to do with these. And plus it'll be very easy to like remove it out, because you can just push this out and the thing what you're making will come out. And this was only for rupees 30. The next item that I have here is from another store which had a lot of cool accessories and jewelries and bags. So I got this hairband which is like this, which looks more like a tied up thing, which is in the snake print. So I decided to go ahead and pick up the snake print. So when I like put it on the head, which looks somewhat like this, and I thought this design was so unique and looks really good on me. Like I thought it suits me really well. He started off with rupees 150 and he gave it to me for rupees 100. So this was only for rupees 100. And that place had a lot of cool bags and everything. I was really eyeing on one bag, but he was not ready to lower his prices, so I decided just to skip on it. Continuing with the accessories, so one was this ring right here. Yeah. So this first ring that I picked up was for rupees 5050. I picked up two more sets of rings, but these come in a set. So for example, this is a set of 3. Yeah. And this was for rupees 50 again. So the next pair that I bought are these 3. So I got this entire set again for rupees 50. So I picked up some bracelets as well. So the first bracelet that I picked up is this simple evil eye bracelet. And this is simply you tighten it and loosen it like this. That's it, and you wear it in your hand. And this was only for rupees 10. That's it. So another bracelet I picked up is this one, which is in the stainless steel bracelet, which seems to be of a very good quality actually, because it's all made of steel. So this is how it looks. The shopkeeper said that this won't get rusted, and this was for rupees 40. So moving on to other section, I picked up this plant, bulb plant kind of thing, which looks like this. It has a hole here, some fake stones which are attached, and then this plant looking thing, aloe vera plant looking thing. It also comes with a rope so that you can hang it somewhere. So this was another cute thing that I found, and this was for rupees 100 only. And I picked up another flower pot vase kind of thing, fake flowers. This is another pot that I picked up from one of the flower pot kind of area wala shops, which I've covered in the video again. If you haven't seen it, go watch that. So this was for rupees 150. Picked up another plant pot, flower pot, whatever you want to call it, with some white pot again and some fake flowers on the top and some fake green leaves obviously. And this one was for rupees 100 only. Yeah, I think I went a little overboard with white stuff. Like I didn't realize while picking it up, and then abhi I feel like it's a little too much. They were all very cheap. So I picked up this another strand of flowers, and it has 8 strands. That's what the seller kept saying. Isme art hai, isme art hai. So it's like really good stuck in my head. And there are like 8 strands, and he was counting 8. So
I think he didn't want you to bargain, probably.
Yeah, even though I didn't ask him, he's like, it's my art. Like I'm telling him to show that one, and he's like just going all excited as 8. I think these are called cherry blossoms. That's what these are called. I don't know. I think that's what he called these. I'm not really that good in flower names, so I'm really sorry if I said it wrong. This again got for 100, which I think is a great deal because I love fake flowers. At other places they're like really expensive. So at Crawford you can pick up like all the fancy, beautiful kind of flower pots and flowers and leaves at like good, affordable rates if you're a good bargainer. There were a lot of lingerie stalls as well where you get all sorts of fancy lingerie. I picked up this one thing which is like this, which is padded again, and it's of the cheetah print. It's like a simple very soft material, stretchable, and it's a free size by the way, and this was for rupees 150. Next I picked up t-shirts from there. The first one that I have here is this t-shirt. What I really liked is the Batman symbol has like a whole 3D kind of effect, minute furry detail,
yeah.
woolen furry detail, and it's like sewed or stuck upon this, so it kind of looks even more cool and of a very good quality. This is of the large size, but I was going for something like this only. I want something which is like loose and baggy and very comfortable. This is for rupees 150. And from the same shop we got another t-shirt which is plain red with the Nike symbol, and this was also again 150 rupees. So from one of the shops I picked up this thing. Now you might be wondering what this is. So this is something very cool actually. There are a lot of these phone stands which are very flimsy and which shake, but you want something which is really sturdy for the phone. So I'll show you how this exactly works. You just take this one of the things on the side and you just stick it to your phone, and it sticks like this. It's like damn sturdy, it doesn't shake. It's too hard, and you stick the other end anywhere you want to. Like for example, I'll stick it here. Move the camera here. I'll stick it here and it just sticks really well on the wall, like you can see, and you can just move it, twirl it around, and it doesn't shake at all. It's just there. He told me 150 rupees at first, but I brought it all the way down to rupees 60. If you want this, it's called the Magic Suction Cup Mobile Bracket. Lastly, I'm most excited about these actually. I got these. These are the Korean spicy noodles. So this is supposed to be the regular chicken, hot chicken flavored ramen Korean noodles, and this is supposed to be into 2x spicy, like double spicy noodles. So this is what I found there. I've used it in one of my challenges before, and this was for 100 rupees each. So I got both the packets for 200 in total. So that's it for my haul video from Crawford Market. If you like it, let me know any questions or queries you have. I'll be happy to solve them for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.